Here are my top 5 favourite features for my new listing at 6478 Mayfair Avenue in the Summerfields neighbourhood of Timnath, Colorado. Number 1, it's all about the lifestyle in Summerfields. Homeowners here enjoy incredible amenities. A clubhouse, a pool, miles of walking trails, pickleball, tennis, basketball, dog parks, playgrounds, baseball and soccer fields, even frisbee golf. Number 2, the house is super spacious. One level living at its best, with over 2,200 square feet on the main. All 3 bedrooms and the office are on the same floor. Number 3, it's south facing for easy snow melt, and the backyard is great for entertaining. Number 4, the primary bathroom has everything you'll need. Plus, check out this huge closet. And number 5, it's a few minutes drive to Main Street, Timnath, with a growing number of shops and stores on this cute little historic street. I'm Realtor Robert Crowe. Thanks for watching. For the full video, please go to www.6478mayfair.info. Have a terrific day.